Alright, what we done here is we done a smog pump delete on this car, and you hear that clattering. Well, I'm going to show you what the deal is, because you got to change the belt size, you know, and we got one that's just a tad bit too long. I think we put a 90 on there, 90-inch serpentine belt, but we need an 89.5. So watch this. I'm going to show you right down here. We got our idler pulley. I'm gonna put my screwdriver in there to keep it from clattering. See that right there? It no longer clatters. We need a little bit shorter belt. And this is a 302. We put an X303 cam in it. We put it's got BBK headers on it. It's got a 70mm throttle body, BBK, and we got roller rockers in there, and let's see what else. We put a McLeod clutch and pressure plate street strip, and let's see. Oh, let me take this out. We went ahead and put this real nice aluminum radiator in there. Yeah, you can hear that clatter pretty good now. I think it turned out pretty good. See, here's our BBK long tube headers. So yeah, that knock, you know, I mean, you're going to have that knock if you change, if you do a smog pump delete. You're going to have to get the right size belt. We're going to have to just change that belt. Alright, we're just about ready. Been a long time working my days off on it. We done everything in-house. I mean, we done the cam bearings, we done the wrist pin removal and installation. We done everything. We didn't take not one thing to a machine shop, so it's possible to do it all yourself.